Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making safety your priority. Don gloves, goggles, and a respirator, and make sure everyone and pets leave the space for at least 2 hours. Once done, remove food, dishes, and exposed utensils. Cover electronics and open items. Make sure flames and pilot lights are off and fans are unplugged. Place the deep reach fogger upright on a level surface in the center of the treatment area, then press the actuator to release. Step outside immediately and close the door behind you. Once the fogger is activated and you're outside, don't re-enter. The aerosol needs time to reach hidden spaces and settle. Make sure you treat connected rooms one at a time or use multiple cans as directed by the label for square footage. This avoids under or over application. If the label says to shut off HVAC, do so to prevent spread to unintended areas. Allow the full labeled dwell time so the formulation penetrates cracks and voids. Rushing this step reduces effectiveness. When the labeled time has passed, re-enter with caution. Open windows and doors and ventilate for at least 30 minutes, running fans to move air out. Make sure to wipe down any surfaces that contact food, utensils, or children's items. Wash your hands and any clothing that contacted the can. Close and recycle or dispose of the empty can according to local rules. If you notice strong lingering odor or visible residue, re-ventilate and contact the manufacturer for guidance as a primary trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.